Paige Archer, Bahamas, 7th in the 100 final. Let's see what she does over 200. In lane number 6, the new darling of Jamaican junior women's sprinting. The crowd loves her.
Part of the world record team last night. Sensational third leg. Took the baton well and passed it well on the anchor leg as well.
She goes in lane number 6. In lane 5, from Guyana, Kaliza Smith, 4th in the 100 meters. Personal best there, 24.08, her best at 200. Lane 4, surprise 400 champion, ran a blistering 52.32 to strike gold.
Peaking perfectly for the Caribbean Games.
23.59 at 200. In lane number 3, the 100 bronze medalist, Shaniqua Bascom of Trinidad and Tobago.
Beat Lyston to win the under 17 200 title 3 years ago.
23.36 on that day. Still her personal best. She's in 3, the Trinidadian. In lane 2, from the British Virgin Islands, Kenyatta Great, 24.91 in qualifying. Second slowest to this final. Needs a massive run to have a shot at a medal. And on the inside, the second Trinidadian in the lineup, Kayla Fortune, slowest qualifier at 25.08.
Kayla Kelly in lane 4.
On your marks.
Had a personal best of 1 second faster in her 400 victory last night. Could this be another day for another PR?
Meet record 22.77, Jamaican junior record 22.50, both on the chopping block right now.
Brianna Lyston in lane number 6.
Set.
Up they go. Brianna Lyston responds to the gun well. Already closes down on Archer of the Bahamas and Bob of Bermuda. The Jamaican runs a super curve. Smith of Guyana running well, as is Bascom of Trinidad and Tobago. But they are well back as Brianna Lyston pours it on down the stretch. Lyston to the line. Outside 23 seconds, 23.17. Brianna Lyston secures Carifta gold over 200 meters to add to her relay world under 20 record performance last night. 23.16, the time adjusted to for Brianna Lyston.
Brianna Lyston had a cracking start. I think she's slightly disappointed with what has happened with that run, but a very good performance nonetheless.
Ran the race like a semi-final where you want to get into good position. Great start, great turn. That's Bascom. She among those chasing for a medal. Well back behind Lyston. Powerfully built. Caribbean under 17 200 champion. Got a medal in the 100 earlier this week during these championships, but well back behind Lyston today. Lyston on screen now.
The athletes settling behind their blocks from the inside. Walton, Great Britain. Garcia, Cuba. Bra Pedersen, United States. Jinqui of South Africa. Lyston of Jamaica. Jamison of the United States. Emana Ulidu of Greece. And Reed of Jamaica on the outside. Jamison there, another huge improver in 2022. She's improved by 7/10 of more than 5 meters that represents on the track. The final of the women's 200 meters is underway, and Lyston is already up, and she's got Jamison in her sights, and she's now moved on to the American shoulder. So it's Lyston who has the lead. She comes into the straight. She's running away from this field. Jamison starting to try and get back to her, but Lyston is away, and it is going to be another goal for Jamaica. Fine run from Jamison, who came through for the silver medal, and Alana Reid came through for the bronze. So it's not a 1-2 for Jamaica, but Brianna Lyston has come splashing through the rain. Ali, and unfortunately it's ended in pain for the South African Vive Jinque. She is lying on the track about 20 meters short of the finish line.
Brianna Lyston delivered another stunning performance in the women's 200 meters, capturing gold once more and affirming her position as one of track and field's most promising young stars. Running from lane 6, the Jamaican sprinter, who had played a crucial role in the world record-setting relay just a day earlier, dominated the race with power and poise. Lyston surged out of the blocks with explosive speed, immediately closing in on the athletes to her outside. Her fluid technique on the curve demonstrated world-class form, and by the time she straightened up for the final stretch, she had created a sizable lead. Despite the less-than-ideal weather, she crossed the line in a blistering 22.65 seconds, further proving her ability to thrive under pressure. In the chase for silver, American sprinter Jamaican mounted a strong late push to edge out the rest of the field. Close behind, Jamaica's own Alana Reid sprinted to third, earning another medal for her nation. The race, though thrilling, carried a somber note as South Africa's Vijinsu pulled up injured just shy of the finish line, leaving spectators stunned. This victory marks yet another milestone in Lyston's growing list of accomplishments, which includes a dazzling performance at the 2022 Carifta Games in the U20 division. Her blend of raw speed and polished execution continues to distinguish her as a standout among her generation. With clear signs, she's on a path to senior-level greatness. Jamaica's sprinting pipeline remains rich with talent, as young stars like Alana Reid, Tia Clayton, and Serena Cole rise through the ranks. Their ongoing progress reinforces the island nation's reputation as a sprinting superpower, carrying forward the legacy established by icons such as Shelley and Fraser-Price and Elaine Thompson-Herah. With the 2025 season gaining momentum, fans and pundits alike are closely following the ascents of these next-gen sprinters. Lyston's recent gold is yet another indicator of her growing stature in international athletics, and if her current form continues, she may soon be lining up beside the global elite. Looking ahead to both indoor and outdoor meets, anticipation is building for more record-breaking showdowns. Track enthusiasts are particularly eager for marquee duels like the upcoming 60M clash between Ken Thompson and Andre de Grasse. In this landscape of rising talent, Lyston's rise is a symbol of the exciting future of sprinting, making her an athlete to follow closely in the years to come.